9.2. Sixth one. If the sum of a certain number of terms of the AP 25, 22, 19, etc. is 116. Find the last term. So what is given? The given AP is 25, 22, 19, etc. And given that the sum of certain number of terms of the AP. So suppose the number of terms is n. So Sn, sum of n terms is given as 116. Sum of certain number of terms of the AP is 116. So given that Sn equal to 116, sum of n terms is given as 116. Then we have to find the last term. So if there are n terms in the AP, find the last term means we have to find the nth term. An we have to find. So using this we can find n. First we can find the n. So here Sn. Here what is A? First term A equal to 25. Common difference D equal to minus 3. So we can find the number of terms. N we can find. So here substitute in the formula Sn. N by 2 into Sn. In the place of Sn write the formula. N by 2 into 2A plus N minus 1 into D equal to 116. Now we can substitute A and D. So N by 2 into 2 into A, that is 2 into 25, 50 plus N minus 1 into D, that is negative 3 equal to 116. So by 2 we can cross multiply this side. So we get N into 50 minus 3 into N minus 3N minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3. So this by 2 we are cross multiplying that side. So 116 into 2. That is 232. Now 50 plus 3, 53. So N into 53 minus 3N. So N into 50 plus 3. 53 minus 3N equal to 232. So 53 into N. 53N minus 3n into n, n into minus 3n minus 3n square equal to 232. So taking this that side, 3n square minus 53n plus 232 equal to 0. Then we can find using the quadratic equation we can factorize. So this is 232 3n square minus 53n plus 232 equal to 0. Now we can find the n. So here we can factorize. What is 3 into 232? So that is 3 into 116 into 2. So now when we factorize 216 again, how we can write? 3 into 58 into 2 into 2. That is 3 into 29 into 2 into 2 into 2. Like this we factorize, then we get the factors. We want to get the product, this number, and sum we want minus 53. So we want the sum minus 53, product 3 into 232. So 3 into 232 is same as this number. When we factorize we get this number. So 29 into, what is this? 2 into 2. 8 into 3, 24. So this is same as 24 into 29. And we know 24 plus 29, 53. So how we can split the middle term? 3n square minus 24n minus 29n plus 232. Like this we can find the factors. So factors are 24 and 29. So 3n square, not factors, that number can be split as at 24 and 29. So here 3n square minus 24n minus 29n plus 232 equal to 0. So 3n into n minus 8 minus 29 into n minus 8 equal to 0. So 3n into n minus 8 minus 29 into n minus 8 equal to 0. That is 3n minus 29 into n minus 8 equal to 0. Therefore, n equal to 29 by 3 or n equal to 8. And we know number of terms will not be a fraction. So n equal to 8. Only the possible value of n is 8. Therefore, since n is not a write the reasons in n, since n is not a fraction, n equal to 8. So value of n is 8. Now what is the question? Find the last term. So if there are n terms in the AP, last term will be nth term. So a last term an, we have to find an. So last term an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here n is 8. First term 25. So 25 plus n minus 1, 8 minus 1, 7 into d. Common difference minus 3. So 25 minus 21, that is equal to 4. So last term an equal to 4. So there are n terms, so last term will be an, that is equal to 4. Now seventh one. Find the sum to n terms of the AP, whose kth term is 5k plus 1. So kth term equal to 5k plus 1. Therefore, what is nth term? Equal to 5n plus 1. So if kth term is 5k plus 1, nth term is 5n plus 1. We want to find the sum to n terms. Sum to n terms. So this is the nth term. Using nth term, we can find the first term. What is first term? We can find any term of the AP. Using nth term, you can find any term. Suppose we want to find first term. So put n equal to 1. In the place of n, put 1. So 5 into 1 plus 1. That is 5 plus 1, that is equal to 6. So nth term is 5n plus 1. Therefore, first term is put n equal to 1. 5 into 1, 5 plus 1, 6. So we got first term. So we can use, we want to find the sum to n terms. Find the sum to n terms means in that sum there will be n. Value of n is not given, n will be there. So we can apply this formula, Sn. What is the formula Sn? Sn equal to n by 2 into a plus an. We can use this formula also. Because an, we know an. What is an? Nth term is an. So an, that is nth term is 5n plus 1. That is given. Kth term 5k plus 1. Therefore nth term is 5n plus 1. So an is given. So we can substitute an here. N also no need to substitute. N is not given. N will be there in the nth term. Sum to find the sum to n terms. That means n will be there in the answer. So only we have to substitute a and an. This is first term. First term is denoted by a. So a equal to 6 and an equal to 5n plus 1. Substitute here. So n by 2 into a is 6 plus an 5n plus 1. That is equal to n into 5n plus 7. 6 plus 1, 7. N into 5n plus 7 by 2. So n into 5n plus 7 divided by 2. So that is the sum to n terms. So sum, and remember that sum to n terms or what is the nth term. So in the answer n will be there. So here sum to n terms means in the answer there is n, sum to n terms. So using this we can find the sum to any number of terms. Suppose we want to find the sum to 10 terms. So put n equal to 10 like that. So sum to n terms means n is there in the answer. Okay.